So straight to the point, I just want to give a couple of specs to this camera. So the camera does come in full HD. It's at 30 frames per second. It's pretty nice and much better than the previous model, as the M15, which was a little bit stitchy if you look at the video. This one, however, is nice and clear.
A good introduction
you get full
to
HD
the
pictures
360
and
video
I think
recording.
the best
Like I said before, the
part about this
technology is
camera
early,
is the
and
pictures itself.
to get
The video
into it,
is
you don't want to
still,
spend a lot of money. And this,
on
I
its
feel,
way,
is
and it does still needs some
definitely the way to
improvements,
go.
but the technology
Especially if you're
is
trying
early.
to upload to YouTube or
And that being
any
said,
site.
you do get an upgrade to
do what you
14
need to do.
megapixels for the output size.
Anyhow,
and,
as you can see
you
here,
also
it's a
do
nice
live streaming via
design,
HDMI or
better
the USB
than
cable
other
with a display
mid-tier
360 cameras
on the market right now. This fits easy in the pocket. You just need to put it in your case. Of course, you want to protect the lenses from getting scratched.
And this case, of course, is included in your package. Additionally, you also do get that cable and that pretty box on the side you see there. Anyhow, next I'm going to show you how to use it. It's really easy to use, as you'll see. So basically, to turn it on, you have a button on the side, the top there, and it lights up when it's on. Simple enough. You see the Wi-Fi icon, which flashes when it's not connected. So yes, you have to connect via Wi-Fi to your phone in order to use the app. I mean, you might think that, oh, hey, it's Bluetooth. Bluetooth would make more sense, but usually, I mean, at least for me, I use Bluetooth headset daily or Bluetooth headphones. I don't really want to disconnect while I see, or if I see something I want to take a photo of. So I think it was a wise decision to go the Wi-Fi route. That being said, yeah, easy enough to switch between video and camera. As you can see, it's a simple button push, and you get video to camera, and you see the icon switch there. Yeah, you just take a picture with this middle button, and you're good to go. So next, I'm going to show you how the use of the app with the Ryko Theta S, which is actually pretty nice. So, as you can see on this display icon here, the Wi-Fi signal is stable, meaning that we are now connected. So let's go ahead and use the app. So there it is, the Theta S app. It's a free app, so not bad. I mean, it's indicating that I am connected. So I'm going to go ahead and use the live preview for picture taking. As you can see, it gives you a live image. It's a panoramic image. It's not really that immersive 360, but it's a good way to see what exactly you're capturing before you take the picture. And you can place your phone, or sorry, your camera somewhere else and take the picture with your phone. The image synthesizes or stitches itself together and then is ready to be downloaded by your phone, which is, I mean, it takes less than 10 seconds to get that on your phone, depending on the real speed of your software. So as you can see, we have a preview of the actual picture, and I can rotate around, look at myself there taking the image, and I have to say it's really good quality as far as my when you see it on a phone. The problem is when you look at it on a bigger display, you start seeing differences. And I'm going to emphasize this is early technology, so not to be too distraught about that. Yeah, so this app additionally does allow you to look at your picture in VR. That is, it'll split the screen, and when you put it in a Google Cardboard, you can use it to look up and down. So you simply select certain things in the software or the program, and you go ahead and press the right icons, viewing in VR view, and you do get a split screen. And yeah, unfortunately my phone doesn't have the gyroscope that it needs to understand when I tilt my head up or down, but when using something like the Galaxy S6 or the iPhone 6, what have you, you can definitely see, or you can use it as a VR experience, and it's really good. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a preview of how the video works. Fortunately, Amazon doesn't have the capabilities of using 360-degree software, so I would recommend going to theta360.com to see for yourself how these videos can really be immersive. Additionally, YouTube also has these videos. Just search Theta S captured video. But that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you.